Alright, this will be part 2 of our St. Pete Beach video. About as much water is going to drain out of that pipe as it's going to. If we pull back, it's obviously still underwater here. And this is from that back bathroom. And this will run that same way all the way to the spot of where our blockage was. As we turn this corner here, you can see we're out of the water, and this is right by the kitchen sink cabinets. And as we pull back, you can see there's debris in the pipe, and inside of a 3-inch pipe you should see a whole lot more pipe. We're sitting on top of a bunch of debris. So I can't positively say that that's a belly back there, or if it's just a ton of debris in the line that's created a sandbar. I believe this under the house would definitely benefit from a jetting.